Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Today we are going to read the poem Try Again, and after that we will solve the question and answer. So let's start. Try Again, W.E. Hickson. "'Tis a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. So dear children, here ends our poem. Now we will solve the workshop questions. Question number 1. The following anagram contain words or phrases from the poem. Guess and write what they are. Number 1. Rainy tag. Number 2. Our cage. Number 3. Wet sir. Number 4. Red raw. Number 5. Tap knees. Number 6. Serve beer. Question number 2. Pick out lines that convey the following from the poem. A. If you keep trying, without a doubt, you shall win. B. It is not shameful to struggle hard. C. When others can do the work, so can you, if you keep trying patiently. D. When you fail in your first attempt, make another one. Question number 3. Find from the poem the antonyms, opposite words for the following. Number 1. Succeed. Number 2. Punishment. Number 3. Courage. Number 4. Stop or quit. Number 5. Loss. Question number 4. Answer in your own words. A. What lesson should be kept always in mind? B. What should someone who loses a race do? C. What quality is important when you are struggling for success? D. When can success have a greater value? When you get it easily or with difficulty? Question number 5. Read the poem and fill in the web choosing points from it.
Question number 6. Most lines from the poem can serve as a truth or a proverb. Pick out 3 or 4 such lines. Using decorative styles, write the same lines to make a poster or posters, and with permission put them up in your school building.